Nakararanas ka ba ng ringing or hissing sa iyong tenga? Baka tinnitus na yan. Alam mo ba na ang tinnitus is not the disease itself, pero symptom siya ng ibang sakit sa tenga? Ngayong umaga, pag-usapan natin ang mga dahilan kung bakit tayo nakararanas ng tinnitus. This is Generation RX, your health and travel show. Now, signing on. Ear problem is not the only cause of tinnitus. Psychiatric conditions such as depression sometimes presents with tinnitus as well.
Tinnitus is a perceived noise in the head, no? Parang naridinig sa loob ng ulo ng tao. By definition, it's not heard outside. But it can also be a real sound being produced by muscles in the head. Yun ang sinasabi na objective tinnitus. Or pwedeng nagkakaroon ng parang convulsion sa nerve. Yeah, they say some's metabolic or aging. Usually when the nutrition kinakapos na, tapos yung mga nagla-lining sa nerves, parang yung alambre, di ba may lining yun, ganyan. Nababalatan na siya o nagdidikit-dikit na yung mga ugat, nagsho-short circuit na. So parang nagkakaroon ng feedback. Parang yung microphone nga pag nilapit mo sa speaker. The nerves are not completely isolated from each other na by their myelin sheath or tinatawag na lining ng mga ugat. When they're getting distressed already by the symptoms, some are so extreme that they want to bang their head on the wall kasi hindi sila makatulog and it's always bothering them. Usually during quiet moments, doon nila napapansin yung ingay.
Sa pagbabalik ng Generation RX, ating alamin ang iba't ibang paraan kung paano mahahandle ang tinnitus.
Normal procedure para pangalagaan ng tenga natin, tuwing pagkapaligo, kailangan nililinis natin para hindi tayo magkaroon ng infection. So at the same time, kung nadadry, kailangan maglagay ng konting lotion or gel para napoprotektahan natin yung labas ng tenga natin.
Well, you avoid loud noises. And then you have to wear protection anytime there's loud noises. You have to wear protection in construction and all of that. That's the way to protect your ears.